Hello students, welcome to our online classes of Balangir Public School. Let's start with part of chapter 2, that is acid, bases and salt. Now we are going to discuss salt. Salts are the ionic compounds which are produced after the neutralization reaction between acid and bases. Means what is neutralization reaction? When acid reacts with base, then salts are produced. This is called neutralization reaction. Salts are electrically neutral, means it is neutral salts. There are a number of salts, but sodium chloride is the most common among them. What is sodium chloride? Means its formula is NaCl, and we use in cooking purposes, and it is used to enhance the taste of food. Next comes to characteristic of salt. Most of the salts are crystalline solid. Salts may be transparent or opaque, and most of the salts are soluble in water. And next, solution of the salts conduct electricity in their molten state also. And the salts may be salty, sour, sweet, bitter and savory. And the next, neutral salts are always odorless, and the salts can be colorless and or colored. Salt are three types: neutral salt, basic salt and acidic salt. What is acidic salt? Means when strong acids and weak base reacts, it is called acidic salt. Means ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride can but strong hydrochloric acids and weak base means ammonium hydroxides. It is from ammonium chloride. This means this is an acidic salt. And what is basic salt? Basic salt means weak acid and strong base reaction between them. It is called basic salt. And neutral salt means both. When strong acid reacts with strong base, it is called neutral salt. Next, pH of salts. A salt of a strong acid and the strong base will be neutral in nature, means pH equal to 7. Means pH equal to 7 means it is neutral. And a salt of a weak acid and strong base will be basic in nature, means pH, the value of pH is greater than 7. And when a salt of strong acid and weak base will be acidic in nature, means the value of pH is less than 7. And this pH of salt, a weak acids and the weak base is determined by conducting in a pH states. The first salt is common salt. This is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means NaCl is also known as common or table salt. It is formed after the reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acids, and it is called a neutral salt. And this pH value is what? It is about 7. The sodium chloride is used to enhance the study of food, and this is used to manufacturing of many chemicals. The common salt is obtained from the sea as well as from the rocks, and hence known as it is called rock salts. Then comes to preparation of common salt. First, important chemicals from sodium chloride and sodium hydroxides. You know, sodium hydroxide is a strong base and it is known as caustic soda. It is obtained by the electrical decomposition of solution of sodium chloride, means brine, and it is prepared by chlor-alkali process. What is chlor-alkali process? You can see this picture here. Brine decomposition to form sodium hydroxide, and in this process chlorine is obtained at anode and hydrogen gas is obtained at cathode as byproduct, and this whole process is known as chlor-alkali process. Here this is, see this reaction. First 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2, and use this product after the electrolysis of brine. What is brine? Means NaCl and H2. This combination is called brine. Hydrogen gas is used as fuel, margarine, and is making ammonia for fertilizer. And this chlorine gas is used in water treatment, manufacturing of PVC, disinfectant, CFC and pesticides, and it is also used in bleaching powder and hydrochloric acids. And this sodium hydroxide is used for many purposes like degreasing of metals, manufacturing of paper, soap, detergent, artificial fiber and bleach. Next comes to bleaching powder, means CaOCl2, its formula. Bleaching powder is also known as chloride of lime. It is a solid and yellowish white in color. And bleaching powder can be easily identified in the strong smell of chlorine. Means what? When calcium hydroxide means select lime, it reacts with chlorine, it gives calcium oxychloride. Means this is bleaching powder and water is from. You can see this reaction, CaOH2 plus Cl2 give rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. Means here CaOCl2 is bleaching powder. The next comes to uses of bleaching powder. The first one is bleaching powder is used as disinfectant to clean water, moss remover and weed killers. The second one is bleaching powder is used for bleaching of cotton in textile industry, bleaching of wood pulp in paper industry. The third one is it is used as oxidizing agent in many industries such as textile industry, paper industry, etc. Next comes to baking soda, means NaHCO3 means sodium bicarbonate. You know, in baking soda is used in cooking purposes, okay, in your home. Baking soda is another important product which can be obtained using byproducts of chloralkali process. And this chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Bread soda, sodium cooking soda, bicarbonate of soda, sodium bicarb, bicarb of soda, etc. are some other names of baking soda. Next, its preparation methods. Baking soda is obtained by the reaction of brine with carbon dioxide and ammonia, and this is known as the Solvay process. Means by this Solvay process the baking soda is prepared. How? Here you can see here NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 give rise to NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Means this is sodium bicarbonate, ammonium chloride is the product. In this process, calcium carbonate is used as in the source of carbon dioxide and the resultant calcium oxide is used to recover ammonia from ammonium chloride. Next comes to uses of baking soda. Baking soda is used to making or baking powder, which is used in cooking as it produces carbon dioxide which makes the batter soft and spongy. Next one is baking soda is used as antacids, and it is used in also toothpaste which makes the teeth white and plaque free, and it is used in cleansing of ornaments made of silver. The last one is since sodium hydrogen carbonate gives carbon dioxide and sodium oxide on strong heating, thus it is used as a fire extinguisher. Next one is washing soda, means sodium carbonate. First you can see preparation method. Sodium carbonate is manufactured by the thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate, often by Solvay process. Here you can see this example, means equation. NaCl plus CO2 plus NH3 plus H2O gives rise to NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Again this sodium bicarbonate heated, then what is the product? CO2 plus H2O plus Na2CO3 means washing soda. And in this sodium carbonate is often in this process is dry, so it is called as soda ash or anhydrous sodium carbonate, and this washing soda is obtained by rehydration of anhydrous sodium carbonate. You can see this equation. In this equation there are 10 water molecules in washing soda. It is known as sodium bicarbonate dehydrate, and this sodium carbonate is a crystalline solid and it is soluble in water, and the most of the carbonates are insoluble in water. Next comes to uses of sodium carbonate, means washing soda. First one, You also know that cleaning of clothes, okay, and in rural area. And the next one is the it's making of detergent, cake and powder. Next, in removing the permanent hardness of water. And the last one is used in glass and paper industry. Then the last comes to plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and this chemical formula is CaSO4 half S2, and is shortly you can also called POP. Then comes to how it is prepared. Generally it is prepared from gypsum. You can see this equation, CaSO4 2H2O is reversible, is give rise to CaSO4 half H2O plus 3/2 H2O. Here gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 2H2O. Means here you can gypsum, how gypsum can be converted into plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum to a temperature of 373 Kelvin. When a gypsum is heated to a temperature of 373 Kelvin, it loses 3/4 of its water of crystallization and form plaster of Paris. Then comes to properties of plaster of Paris. First one is it is a white powder. Second, it is a very remarkable properties of setting into a hard mass or wetting with water. This POP should be stored in a moisture proof container. Then comes to its uses. It is used in hospital for setting fractured bones in the right position to ensure correct healing. You know, when we get injured or falling down somewhere, then we can the doctors can apply plaster of Paris in your hand or legs. Second one is it is used in making toy, decorative materials, cheap ornaments, cosmetics, blackboards and cast for statue. The third one is it is used in chemistry laboratory for sealing air gaps in apparatus where airtight arrangements is required. The last one is it is used for making surfaces smooth before painting. It's all about your salts. Next comes to water of crystallization. You know, many salts contain water molecule and are known as hydrated salts, and the water molecules present in salt is known as water of crystallization. You can see this example. Copper sulfate pentahydrate means CuSO4 5s2. The blue color of copper sulfate is due to presence of 5 molecules of water. When copper sulfate is heated, it loses water molecules and turns into gray-white color, which is known as the anhydrous copper sulfates. After adding this water, the anhydrous copper sulfate becomes blue color again. It's all about your chapter 2.